I am a businessman. I have shop in Florida. I sell fruits.
Are you a businessman?
Yes, I am a businessman.
Aren't you a singer?
No, I am not a singer.
Do you have a shop?
Yes, I have a shop.
Don't you have a studio?
No. I don't have a studio.
Where is your shop?
My shop is in Florida.
Do you sell fruits?
Yes, I sell fruits.
Don't you sell books?
No, I don't sell books.
Why don't you sell books?
Because I don't like to sell books. My father is a manager. He is in California. He works at a bank near the city hospital.
Where is your father?
He is in California.
Does he work?
Yes, he works.
Where does he work?
He works at a bank near the city hospital.
What is his position?
He is a manager.
Isn't he an accountant?
No, he is not an accountant.
Can he speak British English?
Yes, he can speak British English fluently.
Can't he speak Tamil?
No, he can't speak Tamil. I am hungry. I want to eat something. There is a bread on the table.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Aren't you thirsty?
No, I am not thirsty.
Do you want something to eat?
Yes, I want something to eat.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat bread.
Is there a bread?
Yes, there is a bread.
Isn't there a packet of rice?
No, there is no packet of rice.
Where is the bread?
It is on the table. I am going to start a business. But I don't have enough money for that. So I have to take a loan.
What are you going to do?
I am going to start a business.
What kind of business?
I am going to produce sweets.
Do you have money for that?
I have some money.
Is that enough?
I don't think so.
Do you have to take a loan?
Yes, I have to take a loan.
How much do you expect to take?
I have to discuss with the bank about that. Alex is a doctor. He works at the general hospital. He has a van.
Is Alex a doctor?
Yes, Alex is a doctor.
Isn't Alex a manager?
No, Alex is not a manager.
Where does he work?
He works at the general hospital.
Doesn't he work on Monday?
He is free on Monday.
Does he have a van?
Yes, he has a van.
Doesn't he have a car?
No, he doesn't have a car. He is an old man. He lives alone. He always goes to the market to buy goods. He doesn't speak with anyone.
Is he an old man?
Yes, he is an old man.
Isn't he a young man?
No. He is old.
Does he live alone?
Yes, he lives alone.
Doesn't he live with his children?
No, he doesn't live with them.
Where does he go?
He goes to the market.
Why does he go there?
He goes there to buy goods.
Doesn't he speak with people?
No, he doesn't speak with people. Father is in the office. He looks busy. I have to tell him something. This is an urgent matter.
Is father in the office?
Yes, he is in the office.
What is he doing?
He is on the phone.
Does he look busy?
Yes, he looks busy.
Do you want to meet him?
Yes, I want to meet him.
Why do you want to meet him?
I have to tell him something.
Is it an urgent matter?
Yes, may I go in? This present is for you. This is a valuable frock. You look pretty in that frock. You should be happy.
Is this present for me?
Yes, that present is for you.
Isn't this present for my sister?
No, it is not for your sister.
Is this a valuable frock?
Yes, it is a valuable frock.
What is the price of it?
It is $65.
How do I look?
You look beautiful.
Do I look pretty?
Yes, you look pretty.
Should I be happy?
Yes, you should be happy. We are going to the hospital to see our grandmother. We are at the railway station now. There is no train. We have to hire a taxi.
Where are we going?
We are going to the hospital.
Why are we going to the hospital?
We are going there to see our grandmother.
Where are we now?
We are at the railway station now.
Why are we here?
We are waiting for a train.
Is a train coming?
No, there is no train.
What are we going to now?
We are going to hire a taxi. The interview begins on Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. You should be here before 9:30 a.m. You should bring your certificates. We select 2 candidates for this position.
When does the interview begin?
The interview begins on Tuesday.
What time does the interview begin?
It begins at 9:30 a.m.
What time should I come?
You should come before 9:30 a.m.
What should I bring?
You should bring your certificates.
How many candidates do you select?
We select 2 candidates.
Do I have qualifications to apply?
Let's see.